In the Life Drawing Academy correspondence course, students receive personal tutoring in 100 drawing tasks. One of the tasks is about sketching objects of nature from life. Yumiko Ichikawa, the course student, made these wonderful sketches. Here's what Yumiko says.
It took me some time to complete this task, but it was well worth it. I learned to find geometric shapes and forms in natural objects, and this practice helped to turn my knowledge into working experience. Part of drawings were done with pen and ink, which I hadn't used since calligraphy task nearly 2 years ago. Hatching with pen and ink was difficult at first because I was using it as if I were drawing with a pencil. I found the new bonus videos in the Drawing Academy lessons, and they were extremely helpful. My pen and ink hatching improved. I started using brown ink, which add a mood to drawing. I purchased a blue pumpkin head nib, which I really enjoy drawing with. I love its flexibility. I have done roughly 50 drawings with using some helping lines of construction, and 50 more without such lines. Thanks to the various tasks I have done, my drawing skills have improved a great deal over the past 2 years. I also watched Life Drawing Academy videos and Old Masters Academy video lessons before my life figure painting class at the Art Students League of New York. All the lessons I learned from those videos are so valuable. They help me to become a truly proficient artist. I thank Vladimir London and Life Drawing Academy for instructions and teaching. You are my lifesaver in art. Best regards. Yumiko.
Dear Yumiko, thank you very much for your wonderful drawings and positive feedback. I really like your sketches. They are done with love and attention. Also, your drawings follow the traditions of such old masters as Leonardo da Vinci and Albrecht Durer, who used to draw objects of nature from life. I also like the way you used constructive drawing principles to make these sketches. It is also great that you like drawing in pen and ink. This medium trains artists' hand and improves fine motor skills like no other. Kind regards, Vladimir London.
If you want to get a far better deal than at any contemporary art college, you're in the right place. At Life Drawing Academy, you'll learn the same academic drawing techniques as taught in the best art academies. Life Drawing Academy is the only place where you can learn it in the comfort of your own home under personal guidance of Academy tutors. There are 2 art courses available for you, the online course and the correspondence course. The online course is a self-paced, self-study course where you can learn life drawing techniques by watching video lessons and doing proposed assignments. In the correspondence course, in addition to video lessons, you'll also get personal one-to-one tutoring from the Academy teachers, which will be custom tailored to your level of skills and needs.
If you want to see what this academy is about, check out its free video tutorials at lifedrawing.academy/free. In the online course, you will learn how to draw realistic portraits and figures by watching 52 video lessons. And in the correspondence course, in addition to video lessons, you will get a dedicated personal tutor and a custom-designed drawing curriculum that comes with 100 practical tasks. This is the best personal tutoring drawing course available today on the internet.